Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage market volatility with Fidelity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the home page after logging in. Look for the Markets tab in the navigation bar. Click on the Markets tab to access market data and resources. Here, you will find current market trends and volatility indicators. Scroll down to view tools specifically designed for managing volatility. Select Volatility Insights to discover recent market fluctuations. Take a moment to review the provided data. Identify sectors that are experiencing higher volatility. Next, go to the Research tab in the main menu. Under Research, select Stocks to analyze individual companies. Utilize filters to narrow down to specific industries affected by volatility. Review analyst ratings and volatility scores for each stock. Once you've identified potential investments, click on a specific stock for more details. Examine the stock's performance charts for historical volatility analysis. Consider using the order entry tool if you decide to invest. Input your desired stock ticker in the order entry box. Select the type of order you wish to place, whether market or limit. Enter the number of shares you want to buy or sell. Before finalizing, review your order details carefully. Click Review Order to double-check everything. Once satisfied, confirm your order by clicking Submit. To monitor your investments, return to the Accounts tab. Here, you can track performance and make adjustments as needed. Utilize alerts to get notifications on market changes. Set alerts based on price movements or volatility thresholds. Keep an eye on market news for real-time updates. Engage with Fidelity's educational resources to deepen your understanding of market strategies. Stay informed and adapt your strategy as needed to manage volatility effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.